Hello, garden bloomers. Have you ever discovered something growing in your own garden that completely surprised you? Well, that's exactly what happened to me. I'm growing purple sweet potatoes for the very first time, and I just found out that the leaves are edible. Not only edible, but many people cook them just like you would spinach. Needless to say, I had to try them for myself, so I want to bring you along. One of the things I love most about gardening is that no matter how long you've been doing it, there's always something new to learn. I was so excited about the potatoes, but imagine my surprise when I learned that the beautiful vines growing everywhere are edible too. So today we're going to harvest some of these gorgeous looking sweet potato leaves. The thing is that I planted these thinking only about what was happening underground, but little did I know I had another harvest growing above the soil. Can you believe that? So I started doing a little researching and found that many cultures have been cooking sweet potato leaves for generations. They're tender, nutritious, and often prepared like spinach. I love moments like this because gardening keeps teaching me. So I'm not going to show you the cooking process. I'm just going to show you how I've cleaned it up to get it ready for cooking and what I'll be cooking it with, the ingredients I'm going to be using to cook it. But I'm really looking forward to tasting this for the very first time. They have to be properly washed, removing the rough stems, the rough or the tough part of the stems, draining it, make sure it's clean, any part of it that you need to cut out, and just properly prepare it for cooking. I also found out that you can not only saute them, you can add them to soups, and that it gives soups a nice flavor. Who would imagine that? Now tell me, did you already know that sweet potato leaves were edible? Did you already know that? I certainly did not. I just found this out and I've been gardening for years. So here it is. I've cleaned it up. They're all nicely prepared, and there's my onions and thyme and some tomato and a bit of salt. And I will just saute this and try it for the very first time to see if I like it. I have a strong feeling that I will. As usual, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.